Hi everyone, let's wait for some minutes so that everyone can join. Let's wait for 5 to 7 minutes more and then we will start. Um, Hi, so I think some people left already, so let's start the session. Let me just open the screen. Where is that?
Hello, sir.
Right.
Sir.
Rakshita, are you saying something?
Yes, sir. Is there any classes today?
What are you saying?
Class is there or not?
Classes, yes, I'm taking the class. I was waiting for other people to join, but yeah,
But no one is there, sir.
not this day.
Sir?
Actually, I have not taken the week two tutorial, so I have rescheduled it to this day.
Okay, sir. Week 2 sessions, right?
Yeah, it's week two.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
But no one participant is there.
no one is there, you mean?
Nobody is
Um,
there. Only me.
yeah, I think people, I think Harini has already sent the email to all of you to attend the session. Yeah, but I don't know if more people are joining or not. But I have to, because I have not taken the week two session, so I got the time today. I was busy before. You can attend if you want.
Sir?
Yes. So many people. Hi, Neelu Kaushik, and yes. Yes, Rakshita, are you asking something?
No, sir.
Okay. So let me share the screen and we will start from there. Week two. Wait. Right, let's go with that and share the screen, entire screen. I think Nasir is also joining. Hi, Nasir. So I've shared the screen. I hope so the screen is visible to everyone. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is actually, yes, so this is actually week two tutorial. So I've already taken the week three and week two was missing. So I've just started taking week two. I think people are started to join now. I just accept them as well. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna discuss something about errors this time. And the first thing we will do some type of questions based on that. So I just write the first question that you gonna with this one is, so if I write what is 5 digit rounding, what is the 5 digit rounding value of pi, pi, right? So what is the 5 digit rounding value of pi? Okay, so there is one thing that I want to focus is the rounding, and there is one word called as chopping. Is there someone coming? Yes, please join at this time as such. Yes, so the difference between, anyone knows the difference between rounding and chopping? No. So the pi value is like, suppose a big number. Pi can be written as 1.141592653, whatever. And you have to do the rounding till 5 digits, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what does it mean by rounding is basically you go till this point 5 and then you see this number 2 here. I just use a blue color. You just see this number 2 here, and if 2 is less than 5, then you keep this. Since 2 is less than 5, so you just keep it like this. And if there is any other number like after 9 is like 9 or something, then you just increase by +1 in that case. Yes, so the answer of this will be 3.14159. And the chopping means you just cut off this, whatever after 5 digits, whatever. You don't care about whether it's less than 5 or greater than 5. So in this case, rounding and chopping gives you the same result. All right. So is this clear? The difference? I think so. Okay. And let's move on. I write another question. So the question is, so you need to multiply these two numbers into, okay, and you have to do 4 significant digits with rounding. So 4 significant digits with rounding. So you just try that. And what does it mean by like significant digits here? And there is another question that I write now. Is there anyone coming? Yes, so next one is, you just try the first question, and the second question is P star is approximating P star approximate P with relative error. I have already explained you the concept of relative error in the last tutorial. And so at most keep this word in mind, 10 to the power minus 3. Then you have to answer what is the largest interval, what is the largest interval in which P star must lie for value of P equals to 150. So just try to do these questions and let me know. I just use the different format, I think. Does they have a plain one? Don't think so. Okay. All right. So I hope you know the concept of relative error. So you can do this question and just try that. And with the earlier one as well. And we will discuss in few minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. Just try these two questions. Yeah. Have you guys done this one? All right. So for the first question, you just multiply these two numbers here. I just use a, so here is the two numbers and you just multiply them. So what you get? Anyone? What is you are getting after multiplication? I have to see that. So it's basically this number 2222.17778, right? So it says that. What does the question say is four significant digits just. So you have to take just four significant digits. That means the first four digits. So the answer should be 2222. Is this all right? That's easy. But for the second
Sir, can you
question,
explain one,
yes,
sir? Could
yes.
you please explain?
What are you asking? Who is asking? Rakshita? Who's,
Sir, could you please once again tell me how to rounding?
okay, how to do rounding?
Because first you pi value in 3 point something
Yeah,
significant.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Just go with. Okay. So
Sir,
here, if
decimal.
yes, so for rounding is just you just calculate five digit. What is five digit rounding value of pi? So you go till five decimal places and then you just do rounding.
Yes, sir. But in this case, 66.666, that
Yes, so
rounding
in this case, it is a bit different because you mean four significant digits instead of just asking about just saying about four digit rounding. So this question is seems different.
decimal and this one is different. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So if someone asks you significant, if there is in the question is like you just have to count the significant digits, just count from starting. If they say like find for five digit rounding, then you just count from decimal place. Yes. I think someone is coming, Haritha. All right. So anyone has tried the second question? Rakshita and others, Neela, what's your name? Neelu and others, Haritha. Yes, so if you have tried that, then just it's just easy. So what we have to do, so P star is approximating P with relative error at most 10 to the power minus 3. Okay. So P star is just an approximation of P and the relative error between P star and P is just it can't exceed than 10 to the power minus 3. So how do you write it mathematically? It's just this one. P star minus P divided by P absolute should be less than equal to 10 to the power minus 3. This is the relative error definition that you have already seen before. So after this, you just have to substitute the value of P in this case. So P is given to you as 150, right? So you just substitute here P star minus 150 divided by P. Sorry, it is just 150. And this is 10 to the power minus 3. And this is because you can just distribute it. So you just take it here, which is just 150 into 10 to the power minus 3 plus 150. And here, same 150 plus 150. So P star lies in this interval. That's it. That you have to tell. So if this is A, this is B, then your P star belongs to clause AB. Yes, so that's true. I don't know, it's just science. Is that fine? Any doubts in this? Okay. So I will write some more questions. Just try them. We will do some questions today and try them. Interesting. So let's go to black color and whites. Okay, so let me write question 3. Question 3 says that 3-digit, what is absolute error? Okay, so right, if we perform 3-digit, if we perform 3-digit rounding arithmetic, 3-digit rounding arithmetic on this 0.921, what is absolute error with, what is the absolute error with exact value, with exact value determined to be at least 5 digits, to at least. So here the question is a bit different. So it says that, okay, 3-digit rounding. So I would say yes. So here you also do like 3-digit rounding till, and then you say what is absolute error with exact values determined to at least 5 digits. So you have to take 5 digits and then three digits rounding means all the decimal places, I think. Just try this one. And the another question is, what are values of x and y while solving linear system? I just write the linear system. Wait. System using 4-digit rounding, using 4-digit rounding. Keep the note on rounding part. And this is just the linear system is just twice. Okay. Okay, let me do that first. So the linear system is just 1.130x minus 6.990y equal 14.20. Another is 1.013x minus 6.099y equals to 14.22. Just try these two questions. Um, all right, just try these 5 to 7 minutes. Yes, so I think you have tried this one. So let's go there. Um, why is this way? So the for the first question is just um, you just have to find the absolute error. So with exact value determined to at least 5 digits. So in this case, you just try the difference. The absolute error is just 133.921 minus 133.92. That's it. Think so, but it is the exact value. It is the approximate. So maybe you flip the signs. Um, I just removed this one over there. Sorry, because it is the exact 133.92 minus this. So what you're gonna do, like, so from you subtract this from this, keeping this. So 9 and yeah, so it's I think it's 2 guy 9. What are you getting in this case? You subtract 10 minus 1 9 and then 11 minus 2 9, something like that. I think just because it's absolute, so you just take this. Sorry, I think I messed up. Yes, so it is just this one 0.001. All right, so that's the absolute error in that case. And sorry for disturbance in the noise. And what about the second question is, have you tried the second question? It's quite calculative a bit. So let's try to solve it. And we have to find, we have to solve for the values of x and y while solving linear system using 4-digit rounding. Yes, so let's try this one. Okay, so the equations are 1.130x minus 6.990y, that is 4.20, and the other one is 1.013x minus 6.099y, and this is 14.22. So you just try to find out the value of y from this equation. This one I just write again. So what is the value of y you will get is 20 plus, oh, that is minus a bit, minus 1.130x, that is minus plus 6.990y. Oh, sorry, it's not y, it's just, yes. So you get some value for y, and you substitute that in your second equation. So the key thing is, don't change these values over here, just change that in your final answer, whatever you're getting. Yes, so if you just solve that using this, and you may end up like getting the value of phi to be something like 8.93875. Then the question says that just round it using 4-digit rounding. It means that you just round it till this point that I have already shown. So if it is 5 itself, then it's just 8. So 9388. So y will be like this. It's kind of an approximate value. The other thing for x you can similarly do. Just do the four decimal places. That's already discussed. But the key thing is you don't need to change these decimal places till 4 digits or whatever. It's just change your final answer. Yeah, I think it's that clear. And similarly, you can try one more question in this way. I just tried. So the question 4 is, I think 5. What are the roots of quadratic equation using 4-digit rounding? It's pretty similar. X squared plus 67.1x plus 1 equals to 0. And I write another one. So in this you have to do the same thing, but you need to keep in mind that you don't need to change your sign, but maybe if you get some answer, then it's like. Next question is, use 4-digit rounding to find f of 0.1 given fx equals to x cos x minus sin x divided by, I print, yes, and then it is x minus sin x. Okay, so you just try these questions and I will, just try to find out.
Excuse me, sir. Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes, Nasir, yes.
Sir, the question which you have given, just go back the slide. Can you just show
Which question you are saying about?
the present question? Yeah. Coming to
Yeah.
coming to question number 5. What is
Yes.
initial approximation, sir?
What is the?
Initial approximation.
I don't understand.
Sorry, initial in guess value. The initial value. To start with the root, guess value.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You just, yes. So I'm saying what are the roots of quadratic equation using 4-digit rounding? So you just try to solve this equation, find the value of x and round it to 4 decimal places.
Okay. You mean to say by Sidra formula or any particular iteration method we have to go for?
By the formula, Sridharacharya. That is nice. Yes.
Okay. And so one more thing, let us
Yes.
suppose it was a problem of iteration. Let us suppose we have got power 3 or power 4 where we have to go for Newton method, bisection, etc. Now, in that
Yeah.
particular thing, that my doubt will be, now it is given as 4-digit rounding. So as in
Yes.
iteration process, we are not going to get the answer in one shot. We have to repeat the interval as in how it reaches the tolerance between the two successive
Yeah.
equations.
That's
So
it.
now, since it is given as 4-digit, should we be
Mhm.
supposed to round off every approximation to 4-digit or the final answer? In case it
Final
is
answer. You need to approximate the final answer. Yes.
okay,
And in between, whatever is going on, you don't need to do this. Yeah. Only the
okay,
final answer. Yes.
thank
Yeah.
you.
Just try that. So I hope so it's done and based on the similar note. So let's go with the next. Yes, so I just want to mention one thing over there is what happened. Okay, let's go with this one. Yes, so if you have f of x given by this one and you have to find the relative error. Wait, if I say you find the relative error, so you really need a kind of approximation and for cos x, sin x. So you need to know, like if in the question in the exam something says like this, just find the relative error by approximating your cosine or sin x, then you need to use the Taylor expansion. I hope everyone used the Taylor series expansion. So I just write here, whatever is it. So Taylor series expansion is cos x if you 1 minus x squared by 2 plus x to the power 4 by 4 factorial. So if it says that truncating up to order 7 or x7, something like this, then you need to stop it here. If it says like up to order 4, then you need to stop it here as per the question. And sin x expansion is this, x minus x cubed by 6 factorial plus x to the power, sorry, 3x to the power 5 by 5 factorial minus x7 by 7 factorial and so on. So keep in mind this thing. Yes. Another error I want to introduce is just the percentage error, which is just relative error times 100. That's your percentage error. It will give you the error in terms of percentage. If in the question it asks percentage, just calculate the relative error, multiply by 100, then you get it. So these three types of errors I wanted to discuss, rounding, chopping, and these three types of errors today. That's all done. And if you have any questions or doubts, just ask me now. Yes. This is for week 2. We already missed that. Anyone has any questions today other than this? I will share this PDF. Anyone has any other questions like assignments or something? I hope so. You already done that. So yes. So wait for sorry for the disturbance. I am at home.